What up, my peeps? I'm John Lee.
I'm Sarah.
We currently live and travel in our Ram Pro Master camper van, traveling through all 50 United States. Today, we are continuing our journey through Florida.
We are starting at the very southern tip of Everglades National Park today, and we are going to be traveling up through the Everglades, maybe doing a couple hikes. We're going to do a bike ride later on today, and eventually making our way up to the Big Cypress Reserve, where we are going to camp and hang out for the night.
Yeah. So right now we are at the visitor center. We're gonna get our passport stamp, maybe a t-shirt,
Yeah.
and then make our way.
Let's go. John Lee needed extra pages, but thankfully they had them here.
I'm a little full.
He's all booked up.
Okay. Manatee.
Finally found some wildlife.
There he is. Barely see him, but he's there. Alright.
Alright, so let's look at the map and pick out where we're gonna go.
What are you looking at?
Oh, there's like a million already. Oh, here, Royal Palm. It's all the way out here. I never know how to fold these. Okay. Let's survive today. My legs are so tore up. I can't even the camera doesn't even do it justice. They are so bad because of bug bites. Oh, I don't know why I don't just wear pants all the time.
I do. Thought you were putting pants on.
All right, swamp mode activated.
All right, people, we are on the Anhinga Trail, which was recommended to us by the Visitor Center. It is a must-see. It's a short trail, but it is a must-see if you're in the Everglades, is what they say. So now I want to know what this is about.
Well, guys, if you've been watching our channel, you know that I just get absolutely eaten alive by mosquitoes, and the first time I realized I really needed this handy little thing was when we were up at Voyageurs National Park, where we just got absolutely eaten alive on the trail that we did. And I realized I am very unprepared for those kind of hikes. And so now I got some new gear, trying it out here in the Everglades, because there are a ton of mosquitoes in the swamp. If you guys are interested in this kind of hat, I highly recommend it. It's fantastic. It's been great, and what's really cool is that the bug net part can actually fold up into the hat, and then it just snaps shut, and so it just stays up there, and then you can wear it like a normal hat. So if you are interested, I will put the Amazon link in the description down below, and you guys can go check that out.
All right, so when it comes to wildlife, the main things we're looking for are gators. Those are all over the place. And I know we're gonna see some of those, especially when we go to Shark Valley. Those are all over the place. But what I wanna see is a Burmese python, which apparently are all over the place here too.
Very invasive.
Yes, they've killed like a majority of wildlife in the Everglades. That's how invasive they are. They're not good, but I wanna see at least one of those. I've never seen one, so, and they can be huge. The other thing we're really looking for, which is very unlikely, the elusive Florida panther, which is here. We probably wouldn't see it. We would probably only ever get a chance at night. We do have a trail camera, which we are going to try to set out tonight when we sleep. So that would be awesome. So those are the main things. We saw manatee earlier. So we saw one of those already. We just saw a great egret, which we've seen a couple of already too. There's a ton of birds. The different species of birds is insane. But mainly alligator, and there's also crocodiles too, but mainly alligators, crocodiles, and the Burmese python are what we're looking for. Well, we finally found an alligator. Right down in there. It's a little hot out for these gators to be out and about, but the one family in front of us here ended up spotting it tucked away under all those, what were they? Just the trees, I guess. Yeah, we walked right by it, didn't even see it. I don't know how they spotted it. Pretty cool.
Alright, well that's 2 things off the list.
Manatee, alligator.
Yep.
And we're gonna see more alligator, I know that.
Yeah.
But we need the Burmese python. That's my next thing on the list.
Wish us luck.
Whoa. How does she do it?
Oh my gosh, it's hot.
Is it a gator? Is it a panther? There's a lot of people here.
It's a rattlesnake.
Oh, cool.
Jeez. Isn't that what you wanted?
No, the Burmese python.
Oh.
It's gone into the bush, so just be careful.
Okay.
Okay.
It's massive.
Thank you.
Of course.
Let's do it.
Just be careful.
Yeah. You're gonna stay?
No, I didn't.
I just don't know where. Whoa. He's all coiled up. It's a big rattlesnake, you see it? You see him in there?
No, don't get any closer.
I'm not getting any closer.
Looks like he's gonna crack me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a rattlesnake. Yeah, you can see his rattle. He's not rattling though. Yeah, we didn't see it. You can see his rattle sticking up underneath his head there. He is massive. Wow. Wow, that was wild. Okay, so there was like a little traffic jam, and I thought they were looking at a gator, but it turned out it was a rattlesnake, and it was a massive rattlesnake. Wow, that was cool.
And of course, it looks like he's in like attack mode, and JONLEE'S just like, oh wow. I'm like, please back up.
I wasn't that
Back
close.
up.
I wasn't that close. I was zoomed in. I was
Oh
zoomed
my
in.
gosh. That's all I need. I just kept imagining like you're here and he's just like
The rattlesnakes in the Northeast, I've had a lot of experience with. Oh, there's a gator.
What?
There was a gator in the water right there.
Should I go back?
You can. As long as no one comes behind us. Keep going. It was the next pond here, or the next little puddle. Hopefully he's still there. Keep going. There, right there.
Oh man, good eye.
Cool. Gator number 2.
Nice.
I think he's smaller than that last one we saw.
You think?
Yeah.
I thought that first one was pretty tiny.
It was small, but this one's smaller.
Now this is getting fun.
Yeah, this is cool. All of a sudden, all the wildlife is out. Alright, anyways, I've had more experience with the eastern rattlesnakes, which they only get max at like 5 feet. This one looked bigger than that. He looked dangerous, and they are very deadly, so stay away from those, but very cool to see. Alright, off to the next thing. Get out of the heat for a minute. That's what we're looking for.
Wow.
Massive.
Oh, I can't even.
Time for the park film. See you in a few minutes. So we just went to the visitor center, second visitor center that we went to. I got a t-shirt. Nice. We found out that the rattlesnake that we saw was a eastern diamondback rattlesnake. The rattlesnakes I'm used to up north are the eastern timber rattlesnakes, which are a little, they seem a little smaller than this one was. Very cool. So now we're off to
Shark Valley.
Yeah.
There's no sharks there.
There's no sharks, but there's a lot of gators and biking. So we might take a bike ride on this nice, cool afternoon. Just kidding. It's really hot. It's in the 90s. I think the real feel is in the hundreds. Oh, don't lose that. Oh. A river running through it. I don't think the tram's running anymore. It's too late. Time to bike. You ready? 15 miles round trip.
I'm too hungry.
Well, let's grab something to eat real quick. Do we have any snacks?
Oh yeah, we got
Another
snacks.
snack? Alright, we got our snacks. Little beef sticks.
Venison sticks.
Venison sticks, sorry. We're fancy.
Lean and green. That's what we eat.
Sure. 15-mile round trip. Halfway around is the lookout tower.
Highest point in Florida. Just kidding.
Alright, let's go. Yeah. Keep your eye out for gators. Well, it rained. Not only did it rain, it stormed. So we're heading back. We're probably about a half mile out. I think we got through the worst of it. You want to go back out?
No.
Yeah, no, I think we're done. I am soaked to the bone. All right. Sarah's a little mad at me for making the wrong decision.
I'm just as guilty because I listened to you.
Ouch.
We shouldn't, but...
Well, guess we're gonna go dry off and find a place to camp for the night. Whew.
Now that we look like we were swimming with alligators, let's
We
go
almost
camp.
were. The good thing about living in a van is when you get caught in a storm, you have a change of clothes and a towel right here waiting for.
The van might become a wreck, but that's... No, honestly, it was one of those things where I knew this was gonna happen because I didn't listen to myself.
You listen to me, that was the problem.
But
I thought the storm was gonna pass by.
You just gotta embrace it.
Yeah.
Once you're wet, you're wet.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can
My
do.
worry,
So.
my worry was our phones
Yeah.
and getting struck by lightning.
Yeah.
And there was a little bit of thunder, but luckily there wasn't
We were fine.
anything crazy. Yeah.
Well, let's go camp, make some dinner,
Yeah.
and chill.
And we have a gift that we got that we're gonna do a little unboxing.
Yeah.
They're binoculars.
Present time.
So we're gonna show you that, and we want to set up our trail camera tonight where river we're at. So, but we were gonna go back out and bike the rest of it.
No, we weren't.
We wouldn't have had time
You're
anyways.
canceled.
I hate biking anyways, so I'm actually very happy.
Yeah. He didn't even want to bike 4 miles to the Gateway Arch, so
That was uphill.
15 miles.
That was
is,
uphill.
Please.
15 miles
there
flat.
Was no way.
I think I could have done,
No.
but not in the wind and rain. That was tough. That was tough. All right, let's go camping.
Car wash.
Yeah, I think we need a car wash now. Yeah, slow way down. This is there looks like there might be protesting. Yeah, it's probably protesting. It is now a beautiful day. Don't even hit it. Are you good?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, cool. They say you can park anywhere on this road and not get bothered.
Guess we'll find out.
If you're good with it. Or we can drive up and see if there's another spot that you can pull further off.
No, because I feel like it would have been on there.
Not necessarily.
Here's our camp.
We're on the side of the road in the middle of Big Cypress National Reserve. Or Preserve.
He does his research, I swear. He just doesn't remember.
Yeah, that's my problem, is the remembering. That's okay. It's Big Cypress National Reserve, I think. And we're in the middle of it. In the middle of nowhere. parked next to the only little patch of trees. I'm hoping there's a panther in it.
I like it, yeah.
Alright, so I told you guys a little earlier we had a present that we're going to unbox. And it is a big pair of binoculars. The box came a little ripped.
Super excited about this because apparently they are so good that you can actually view stars with them, which is like amazing. And we are in a dark sky area here in the Everglades, so as long as tonight is somewhat clear, it should be a really cool night to try these out for the first time.
Waterproof, HD.
So these were actually sent to us by JONLEE'S as a gift, and it's not a sponsor, but you can actually purchase them right on Amazon. So we'll have the link to that in the description down below if you guys are interested in checking them out. We got them as a free gift, so thank you, JONLEE'S. These are awesome. We can't wait to try them.
Let's open it.
Yes.
Nice pouch. Whoa.
Wow, those are huge.
They're massive. Whoa, I didn't think they'd be this
We look like real bird watchers now. And I don't even like birds.
big. These are awesome. Wow.
Dang.
Whoa. Do I look like a bird watcher?
Oh yeah, a very serious one.
Yeah.
Whoa, these are nuts. Man, now I see why you can see the stars with these things.
They're massive. And they can go on a tripod. I wonder if they would work on our tripod.
I can see your soul. And it's not good.
Is it black?
I'm just kidding. Wow, they even have thumb holders. These are freaking cool. Wow. These are amazing.
Now we just gotta test them out.
Yeah.
Got the little lens cleaner and a strap, which is cool. Oh, so it comes with a smartphone adapter mount and a tripod mounting adapter, which we're gonna get back to after we make dinner. I'm gonna read all these instructions, figure out how this works, and then we'll show you what it looks like after we eat dinner.
Yeah, I thought it was like a car.
Yeah.
Actually pretty amazing.
Yeah.
You literally see nothing but the reflective. And then you look here and I can clearly tell what signs they are.
Yeah.
It's a stop sign and an arrow.
Can see through it with this. I have it like that. And that's what you see. It's better in person than on a phone, but I'm impressed. I'm not impressed with the phone holder on it. It just seems to be weird, but this whole setup, we have this really crappy tripod, and it's still able to connect to it and actually stand on its own. I was a little nervous about that.
Yeah.
But this is a very cheap, crappy one, and it still connects to it, and it's still good enough that I can stabilize this for myself to look really nicely. So we're gonna zoom in on these two right here. That's zoomed in on my phone. And let's go down to this. That's pretty cool. It's a little bumpy because I'm trying to hold the phone up to it. And it does come with a phone holder. Look at that. So overall, I am very impressed with the binoculars. The adapter here that goes onto the tripod is very nice. If we had a better tripod, it would be way better, but this is very sturdy, and it's sturdy and still allows you to turn it. So it's very nice. So you can have it on there and adjust it however you need. We're not sponsored by these guys. They just sent us these as a gift just to try out. I recommend. We'll put the link in the description. Take a look for yourself and buy them on Amazon, but for the most part, they're awesome.
Well, guys, it turned out to be a beautiful night here. Still a bit of big rain clouds, but a gorgeous sunset. And we're trying out these binoculars, and they are awesome. They are so cool. They are so neat. We're super stoked about them, especially because we had a pair of just like cheap small binoculars and we didn't bring them. So getting these as a gift was like super awesome. They are perfect for van life because we love finding wildlife, and we're just so excited to use them. Even more so, I love looking at the night sky.
Yeah, and we have a telescope back in storage. Obviously we weren't able to bring that. It was too much for the van. Right. These are a great alternative to that.
Yes, it's like the best of both.
Yeah, I haven't seen the night sky with them yet, and I don't know if we're gonna get a good view of it. We might.
Thank you so much again, SoGrees. We are so excited to have these. Thank you so much.
All right, so the last thing on our list tonight is the trail cam. This is something that was not a gift. We bought this just so we could see what's going on around us at night. Wow, look at that sunset. Whoa, that's awesome.
Maybe should we put it like here and like angle it down and see what we get?
Yeah, that might work.
I don't know.
But it looks like we're gonna attach it to the bikes here. Get it at a good angle, and then hopefully anything that crosses the road behind us here we'll catch on film. All right, so this is what it's showing. So hopefully a panther walks behind our van tonight and we can get it on film.
Maybe it'll be pink.
The pink panther, interesting.
All right, guys, well, we are just gonna chill for the rest of the night. We've had a long day.
If anything exciting happens in the dark, we'll bring you back in.
Yes, so stay tuned. We'll see you in the morning to check our trail cam footage.
Yes.
Good night.
Good night.
cute. He was drying his feathers with the sun. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
There he goes, Sunny. Look. He's sunning himself. That is so cute. Well, unfortunately guys, we found nothing on our trail cam other than a couple of cars driving by. The last one, I guess, was around 10:40 p.m. and then there wasn't another one until about 8:30 this morning. So very peaceful out there, nothing happening, but that's okay. We'll try next time. Okay guys, this is where we are going to end this video. Keep commenting, subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed our travels, and stay tuned for more.
But before we go, what was your favorite part of the Everglades?
I think the wildlife and trying out our new binoculars.
Yes.
Those were so awesome.
Those binoculars were actually
Oh
awesome.
my gosh, they're so cool. And just the fact that we saw a manatee, a couple gators, and the
Diamondback rattlesnake. That was my favorite part.
Yeah, that was insane.
That was awesome. It wasn't a Burmese python,
Yeah,
but in my opinion, it's a little cooler.
Yeah.
Diamondback rattlesnake in the Everglades.
it was awesome.
Very cool.
Alright guys, we love you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys soon.